In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the pandas set index method in 3 easy steps. Alright, so the first step is we're going to need to import pandas as PD. And then the second step we're going to need is to import some data. So I actually got some data right here. Let me show you right here. We got a column of inventory and another column that has our quantity, and we're gonna set the inventory column as the index. So let's go back here, let's create the data frame. So PD read clipboard. So here's our data that we just created, and now we're gonna set the index on the inventory column. So all we do is we go df.set index, and then we just plug in the name of the column, which is, oops, I misspelled that, inventory, and we go, and that's it. Now our inventory column is part of the index.